Good day. My name is Daniel, and today I will discuss with you about one of the world's greatest mysteries, the black hole. What is a black hole? Black holes are one of the most mysterious and most powerful forces in the universe. There are areas consisting of such an immense force of gravity, making them so dense that even light gets absorbed into it. Black holes are formed from the explosion of gigantic stars at the end of their life cycles. They can grow really big as they continue to absorb light and mass around them. They can even absorb other stars. The boundary around a black hole is called an event horizon. At the center of a black hole is the point of all its mass. This point is called a singularity. As scary as black holes sound, the good news is that they don't live forever. They slowly evaporate, returning their energy to the universe. How were black holes discovered? The idea of the black hole was first proposed by two different scientists in the 18th century, namely John Michel and Pierre-Simon Laplace. In 1916, a German physicist named Karl Schwarzschild calculated that any mass can become a black hole if it were compressed tightly enough, using Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, but it wasn't called a black hole then. In 1967, a physicist named John Archibald Wheeler came up with the term black hole, but it wasn't until 1971 when theory became reality. This was when astronomers studying the constellation Cygnus discovered the first black hole. So where do we find black holes? Black holes are truly invisible. We cannot see them because of the absence of light, but scientists find them by observing light and objects around them. Big black holes are usually located at the centers of large galaxies. At the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, we have a black hole called Sagittarius A star. The kinds of black holes. There are four types of black holes. First is the stellar. Stellar black holes with masses less than about 100 times that of the Sun comprise one of the evolutionary endpoints of high-mass stars. The next black hole is known as supermassive. Supermassive black holes contain between 1 million and 1 billion times more mass than a typical stellar black hole has. Astronomers are still not sure how these supermassive black holes form. Some have suggested that supermassive black holes form out of the collapse of massive clouds of gas. Next are miniatures. Theory suggests that the miniature black holes might have formed in the early universe, but astronomers do not have any evidence for their existence. Miniature black holes have event horizons as small as the width of an atomic particle. An intermediate mass black hole is a class of black hole with mass in the range of 100 to 100,000 solar masses, significantly more than stellar black holes, but less than the 100,000 to 1 billion solar massive supermassive black holes. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope you have fun learning.